just take a say in this building. We have to check the address later.
Porvoonkatu 25.
Porvoonkatu 25. I said we have to check the staircase later, and you said it. Well, this is another old Graham Brothers.
Yeah.
That was built in 1936, turning 85 years old in next year, 21, and it was modernized by Schindler in 1999. And the serial is AF328, I think. Yeah. Yes. And here is the original metal plate, as you can see.
Yeah.
So this is still not bad, and it's going to be inspected in next year, 2021.
Yeah.
And 6 floors, and the floor 1 button has a green light because it's used as a ground floor.
Yeah.